Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share quick tips with you which will be helpful for you while you prepare yourself for interview process. I'm sure many of these things would have been told to you before as well, but since as I said this could be a quick reminder for you when you're going for an interview. So it obviously starts with what is that particular thing that you are actually stand for. That is very, very important. You need to know yourself thoroughly. You need to know about your value set. What do you actually, something that you are very passionate about, or what your life revolves around. What are the aspirations that you have? So do a self analysis for sure and know yourself very well, know your value sets, know if at all you can have a quick kind of a quote that you can stand for. You can just keep that in mind when you're going for an interview. Second most important thing, of course, is knowing about the company, knowing about the job, the description of the job, what is expected from you as a candidate, what this company is all about, their culture, their competitors, what has happened in the company, in the history, what they have done well, their accolades. All this is again extremely important for you to know. And when you're studying all this, don't look at this company just as an entry to the corporate world, or just you want to transit from one job to another job and this is the only options that you have. So you should not be treating an interview process like this, but you should be having a long-term view, a vision about exactly how do you want to grow yourself in the company and how will you be able to help the company in whatever small possible manner, so that you can also add value to the company. So have a long term perspective, as I said, that's again very important. Dressing well for interview, be it video interview, telephonic interview, physical interview, dress fully right from toes to top. Okay, that's again very important for you to be prepared for. People who are shabby and smoking and not groomed well will not be creating good impression in front of an interviewer, and you will not be surely a first choice of the interviewer. So please keep that in your mind. Be calm. I know that whenever we go for an interview, everybody is nervous. We are so worried and we are anxious, but that's okay, that's very natural. Tell yourself that whatever fear, whatever nervousness that I have right now, it's natural. It's okay to have this, but I still know that I have prepared myself well and I'm going to do a good job. So that reminder to yourself is very important, that self-confidence, that meditation and calm, composed nature is very important, and that will come when you are very well prepared yourself for the interview process. Again, many a times what happens that we keep on predicting what is going to be the questions and how am I going to be answering the question. So instead of preparing yourself to answer a specific question in a particular manner, prepare, as I said, overall perspective of yours according in terms of your career, in terms of your life. How do you want to grow yourself? What are the aspirations that you have? What is the life purpose that you ultimately want to serve? What are those things that you are good at? So be aware about all these things, and that naturally will prepare you for the interview process. So you need not have to be worried that I have prepared for X questions and they have asked me why, now what do I do? Okay, be natural, be open, be confident. That smile on your face plays an important role. So please do not actually underestimate the role of that smile that you're going to have on your face. Okay, your body language should actually show the confidence that you carry in yourself. That is again very important, because that is how you create an impression. So I guess these are the important tips that I would like to share right now. And tune in for the next interview video, because I'm going to tell you exactly what you should not be doing. Okay, so I've spoken about the do's today, and the don'ts will be coming in the next video. Thank you so much.